Hello everybody with hey and hello, this is Jeline and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, for today's video, it's another throwback video for me again. So I shot this video way back in 2017 during the time when I was still working for Inspire Me Korea. So it's actually a product review for Secret Nature and Sesame. So I'm still using it today because skincare routine is a must. So I'm using this too. So it's actually a product review of these products, and it's a part 1 and a part 2 video again of my product review. I hope you guys would like this video, and thank you so much guys for watching and subscribing on my channel, and I hope that you guys are safe. I hope that you guys are having a nice day. I hope your dreams will come true, and so as my dreams will come true, I hope you are safe and healthy. Wear your face mask, wear your face shield. And this is the part 1 video for the product review of Secret Nature's Healing Gel. Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. So I'm going to be doing this for the first time. I'm going to review a beauty product from Korea named Secret Nature. So Secret Nature is actually one of the products that are included from Inspire Me Korea's Pamper Me Beauty Box. So I made an unboxing for the Pamper Me Beauty Box in one of my videos, and just click the link down below if you want to see all the products that are inside the box. So I'm going to do this one first. So Secret Nature, this peeling gel contains plant extracts that has gentle exfoliating action to eliminate dead surface. The result is velvety, soft skin, and clarified complexion. So it's going to be my very first time to use it, and let's see what will happen to my face. But anyways, this is the Pamper Me Beauty Box. So this is what you're going to see if you open the Inspire Me Korea box, and this is what is included in the mini brochure, mini ultimate guide to K-beauty. And these are the products that are included. So Sesame's Natural Pure Cleansing Foam, Sesame's Natural Aqua Mist, and Secret Nature Jeju Peeling Gel, and the other facial masks that are inside the box. So this is what it looks like. So I'm really excited to do this. So I'm almost off to bed. That's why. So this is what it looks like. Secret Nature. So this is what is written in the box. Okay, so it's still new. Let's see what Secret Nature Jeju Peeling Gel is. More than 97% of ingredients are naturally sourced. Low irritant peeling gel containing Jeju organic environment friendly ingredients. Natural volcanic ash color. So let's just try this. So since it's still new, we're going to peel it. It smells good. I hope you could smell it too, but it smells like, I don't know what it smells like, but it's good. It smells good. So we're going to check it. To put it first, what it looks like. So it looks like this. It's brownish, and so it looks like that. So we need to put some hair band first. so that there are no hairs in the surface of the face. Okay. Ta-da! Hello! Okie dokie. So yeah, I forgot it. So anyways, so this is the color of the peeling gel. So let's try this. They say it's very gentle on your face, so I'm going to put it here. And it really does remove dead skin. So, oh, do you see it, guys? So yeah, I have a lot of pimple marks on the face. Okay, I have a lot of dead skin. Let's peel. Let's put another more. Yeah, that's the color of the peeling gel. Okay, in this part. So it's really smooth in the skin. My shiny forehead. So I don't have much dead skin in this part of my face. So it's free. Unlike this one, like you can see here, a lot of dead skin. Oh, I have a lot of dead skin. Oh my gosh. I think I'm the only one who's so amused. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. After using this, you need to wash your face with a warm water. So I'll be washing it. So yeah.
A few moments later.
I washed my face with warm water, and as I was washing it, I really felt like my skin becomes smoother, like smoother than before, like literally smoother than before. And they said that if you're going to wipe your face with a towel, you need to just damp it so that you won't have acne or pimples. So as I am looking at myself in the video in the screen, whoa, my face had brightened up. So what I can say about Secret Nature is that it's really gentle on your face. You know, once you try massaging it on your face, it feels like it just really releases a lot of dead skin cells on your face. And as you can see from before and after, there's a lot of it feels like there's a lot of things coming out of my face, and I never knew that I really had so much dead skin. And I would like to say thank you, Secret Nature, for this. What else I could say is that thank you, Inspire Me Korea, for having this Pamper Me beauty box, because I wouldn't know how good this product is. I'm not really a beauty person. I don't really know what to put on my face. I just put things on my face like, oh, my aunt gave me this. Oh, it's given to me by my cousin. Oh, this is what my mom used when she was younger. So that's what I always do on my skin. I didn't really realize that there are some products like this. It's like glowing. Whoa, I would like to say thank you. Thank you. Because of that, I have a wonderful bright skin. And I think I'm going to have a beautiful, beautiful glowing skin the next day. Stay tuned to 2 more products from Pamper Me Beauty Clocks. So I just wanted to say that I hope you guys are having a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed this video of mine, me peeling or exfoliating my face, seeing dead skin on my face. So yeah, spice! Thank you! Oh, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Okay? 사랑해!